In manufacturing, keeping track of products is a complicated process. How do you make sure standards are being met? What if something goes wrong? Artemis Vision visionWrangler is a complete machine vision solution that provides custom inspection, track and trace, and archiving of critical high-volume production data in your manufacturing process. Artemis Vision systems are reliable and field-tested. visionWrangler captures and stores not only production data, but images of your products for real-time and downstream analysis and archive. visionWrangler sends out messaging alerts for user-definable events, generates and sends out reports on performance and compliance issues, integrates seamlessly with quality control packages and enterprise databases, and is part of your end-to-end compliance solution. Fortune 100 facilities trust Artemis. visionWrangler uses industry-leading machine vision hardware and is built on industry-standard software development practices and platforms, and provides key data for track and trace compliance, quality assurance, and process transparency, leading to lower costs and peace of mind. Knowing you are covered in case something goes wrong, visionWrangler gives you brand insurance by maintaining visibility, accountability, and credibility with your customers and trading partners.